So today I will talk about the subject I'm going to talk about is the Internet of Things, IoTs. So that will be, I will just share this web page. So I'll just follow their material over here on Wikipedia. So the Internet of Things, it's a very big category, as small as this, as big as a. So all those can be networked. So we know if we have a Raspberry Pi or the 8266, the $1. So Jeremy, are you interested in working on a project on that $1?
Yeah, but I haven't ordered that part yet.
Yeah.
So
there's another announcement I like to make is the school has a support for students who do presentations in conference. So the conference I'm thinking about is a conference next March. We actually had past 2 years, had our students presented in that conference. 2 years ago, it was in Florida. This year, it's also in Florida, but it's like a virtual and in-person combination. So one of our students went to Florida this year, and the 2 of our students went to Florida last year. It's a fun experience. They get pretty excited. So this year, it will be only online. So this year, there's no travel on March. All you need to do is present your work online, just like here we're doing here, using Zoom. And if any of you thinking about presenting, that will be a very good opportunity because the school will pay for the attendance, for the registration fee. And the deadline is November the 8th, if I remember correctly, to apply for support for this conference. So I'm thinking some of you are doing projects, and they are good material to not just get a grade here, but also present in this conference. It's called. Let me show you the conference website. Did you see my Google, or I have to reshare?
No, I can see it.
You can see my Google?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it.
Tim is gonna
present
his.
I'll present it. Gives me an automatic 100.
Did you see this?
Yeah.
IEMS.
IEMS.
I think I need to reshare. Let me reshare. So this will be the conference. It will be March 15th, and so it will be all online. And I will be the chair for one session. So that will be the session we're going to present in this. It's called Engineering Innovations. So everybody welcome to present in that session and also get support from school. Let me check my email.
So is it like a competition?
It's a conference. It's an international conference. They have presenters from United States, mostly United States, and usually about 20% or 30% is international.
Oh, okay. So it's just showing off your work then, right?
Just showing up on your computer. Yes, that's right.
Nice.
It's online conference. There is a registration fee associated with this. The registration fee for student, if I remember correctly, is $300. That will be covered by school if you apply. So call for paper. Yeah, student is $200. So that this will be covered by school. And you get a chance to actually get some exposure and put something in your resume.
Oh yeah.
WSU is Wichita State. That's they have a big presence over there. That's very close to us. Yes. Usually, this conference is in Florida, right at the spring break. So it's very nice to actually go down to Florida, and after the conference, you have a spring break. Usually, it's before and after, or right in the spring break.
What is it that has the Wichita State sponsored and the something else from Kansas sponsored?
Yeah, this is from Kansas, Shuttle Aerospace. That's a company in Wichita.
Why are so many sponsors from Kansas?
I don't know. There are other, Kansas Institute for, yeah, I guess the organizer right now is in Kansas. The main organizer?
Yeah, it seems like it.
The chair or something? Yeah, let me see. I really didn't pay attention. That's a good question. Let's see. Conference chair. Conference.
Hello?
Yes. Yeah, they came from our places, Alabama, Dayton, that's Florida, Rhode Island, Wichita State. Yeah, there's a guy from Wichita State. This is Montclair is in New Jersey. Penn State, Wichita. Yeah, there's
another guy from Wichita. Yeah.
Florida Institute of Tech, University.
Another person.
Yeah, another. Yeah, I guess Wichita State is very heavily. Yeah, a fourth person.
Five people.
Five people. 6. Wow, that's why. Yeah. Out of all the sessions, 6 chair from Wichita State. Yes.
Do you know any of those people from Wichita State?
I met some of them. Yeah, during the conference. But this year I wasn't there. This year one of our students was there. I wasn't there. I actually paid all the travel expenses, and right before the my flight is at lunchtime, and right before I was about to leave, it's this March, I can't find my driver license, my passport, everything.
Oh.
And my wife has hid it away from me, and I wasn't able to go.
She didn't want you to go.
Yeah, that's right. But actually, I bought the 2 of us tickets, everything for 2. We were planning to go together, but she didn't want to go, and she took away my driver license.
What?
Yeah. I didn't pay attention, and in the morning I can't find anything. I just yeah.
And then what is that submission deadline that's due on the 6th?
It's January the 6th. Yeah. So it's already. No, it's not passing yet. Yeah, just submit now.
But what is it for?
You submit your project or your paper.
Yeah, whatever paper you just submit to that track. Let's see. The track is engineering innovation track. So you just submit to this track. I usually have about 8 or 10 presenters on this track.
Okay.
Yeah, the chair. Yep, you're right. The chairperson is from Wichita State. That's probably why so many sponsors and stuff are from Wichita State.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
oh yeah, the chair is from Wichita also. Okay. Chair, Wichita University. Co-chair. That's a surprise. They took over the whole conference because my impression is it used to be University of California. A bunch of guys from California was controlling this conference. They lowered the price also. Last year was 300, this year is 200. I guess it's because it's online.
They should charge more this year since people can pay more because they don't have to fly.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you the email. The school has funding for support the student presentation, and this year the school will support virtual conference also. So let me find my email and maybe I will send you an email later because maybe I can't find it in a hurry. All right. Any question about that conference? Anybody interested? Let me know. I strongly encourage everybody to do it because you have nothing to lose. Just do a Zoom presentation, PowerPoint Zoom presentation.
Yeah, Tim, present your robot.
Yeah, present your robot. Present.
Mine's a supercomputer.
Present it.
Yeah, you gotta present it.
You have to present yours.
You have to present yours.
Everybody present.
Yeah, Arturo.
All right. Now we go back to the topic I'm going to talk about today. First, I'm going to talk about this Internet of Things. Right now, the Internet of Things is about 1.4 billion. I'm not sure. Or some billions. I'm not sure how many billion. It is estimated by the year 2025, it will be about 40 billion. So those little devices are going to be everywhere, especially with the Wi-Fi coverage everywhere, 5G, 4G cell phone coverage became more and more popular. And it's supposed to get more and more applications. So Internet of Things, one big category is medical. So for example, last year, one of our students trying to do this project wasn't able to pull it off. He was trying to do a monitor for senior citizens. So when they living alone inside their house, you put some sensors to track the pattern of everyday pattern. So if the pattern is off for a couple of days or 1 day or 2 days, it will alarm caretakers. So that's basically he want to use motion. He want to put 1 or 2 cameras motion and trying to get data. So for example, they wake up at night, have breakfast, whatever. So that's one big thing. Transportation is another big issue, big Internet of Things, especially with this network, high-speed network. Truck is driving by themselves. I think it was started with trucks because that's a huge amount of interest. Either driving like a like what we were doing, this remote driving by a human. That may be possible. So we just the driver is driving the truck at home from home, or automatic. I'm not sure. That's another Internet of Things. So there is a lot of those Internet of Things. Agriculture is one thing. The big companies are very big players. Microsoft, many years ago, almost 10 years or 15 years ago, I was in the Consumer Electronics Show. That is a great show. If you have a chance to go to a Consumer Electronics Show, that's the biggest consumer show. Hundreds of thousands of people showed up in Las Vegas. And one year we have a group of 6 students went to the Consumer Electronics Show, all paid by the school at that time. So
Well, we should go too.
All you need is to have an electronics club up and running, and asking for a little bit of money support. 6 of them paid 100%. That was many years ago. They pulled that off. I was there once. It was pretty exciting. So the year I was there, Microsoft has a big exhibition outside the main building, which is long lines. People wait for like an hour to watch their demo. It's a smart house. So Microsoft is a big player. This is agriculture, infrastructure. So the application is everywhere. Like I said, energy. My father in China has an apartment. His apartment. When I was in China, I lived in his apartment. He's not living there. So that apartment, like I said, everything, the meters are all internet connected. You pay your water in real time. You pay first, pay before you use the water. So you pay $1, it will provide you a certain amount of water. When the $1 water ran up, the well will shut off. You run out of water. You don't have water anymore. So you have to pay on your cell phone again. So that's internet, that meter, that's pretty nice. So does the electric and the gas, everything. Military is a big, because they have a huge amount of money to do that internet battlenet things, ocean things. So this is a huge area, internet of things. Once the robots is networked, the only issue everybody think about is one issue is safety. If your device is internet networked, how do you prevent people from hacking into the Internet of Things? So this is first a little bit interesting. Second topic I want to talk about is this website called Things Speak. Very good. Actually, I have a channel myself. Because my channel is idle, I didn't use that channel for many years, and it was closed. So my channel is dead right now. But let me give you an example of all the channels. So if you have an Internet of Things, you can actually upload the data from your Internet of Things to this website. This website is shared by everybody. Right now, there is over a million channels. So this is one example of the channel that's in Boston, right here, location. And it's a weather station. So it tells you real time, for example, the temperatures. October 20, that's today, right? October 20th. So it looks like Boston is warmer than us, right? 70s. Right now is in 65. Currently temperature is 65. And the wind is 10 mile per hour or 5 mile per hour, in that range. So you have 1 million of those all over the world. My channel, I have the similar things. I have temperatures. I have so whatever you want to upload, you can have a channel. You can have your data shared by on this website called Things Speak. And there's a lot of other functions on this website, but the basic is just present your data graphically. That is the direction. Looks like the wind is blowing 200 degrees. What does that mean, 200 degrees? That means wind came from northwest, right? Is that right? 200 degrees northwest. So if you have an Internet of Things, that is something very nice. This website looks like is sponsored by MATLAB. MATLAB is a very popular software for scientific calculations. So you can also tweet. You can also do a lot of things. Many years ago, I did a couple of Internet of Things. I did 3 or 4. That's maybe 4 years ago. I did a couple. One is a light, LED light. The color is changed by tweet messages. So you have a LED light, Internet of Things. Everybody can send a tweet to change the color. Also, all those lights, they have millions and millions of around the world, like dozens of millions of those lights. So what happens is the tweet will instantly change the colors of all those millions of lights around the world. They all listening to a certain channel, like on tweet messages, and they all change color synchronously at the same time. So basically, you acted like you change colors of lights around the world by one tweet messages. So that's one Internet thing I did. Another is this temperature sensor on Things Speak. Another is I forgot, a temperature controller, yes. So it's heating and cooling. So you basically can control the temperature just like a thermostat. That was a couple of years ago. So there's a lot of things we can do, a lot of once it's networked, sky's the limit. You can. So that is pretty much I want to talk about today. We have 4 more weeks left, so you really get to get started on your project. Only 4 weeks. What we have is we will not have a final exam. We will just collect your final demo. We will have a demo. Everybody, the last week we meet, everybody will demo their projects. And also you will type up a report. A lot of people ask me the format of the report. To me, the format of a report, a good report, is the shorter the better. That's me. Of course, you have to tell. You have to have enough material, so somebody in your own somebody can repeat your project. So as long as you have clearly describe your project and somebody can follow your project, the shorter the better, because that's me. Some professor require certain page numbers. I don't. As long as your project is very well documented, I can follow. I can repeat your project. All right. Anything else? Any comments? I think we have Joe, Tim, and Jeremy. So.
No, I don't have any comments.
Okay.
Well, like for the report, so you're saying that, so for example, like one of the project is to like have a video game console on your Pi. So like we would just have to explain how we, like run it and just show it and show you how to run it, I guess.
Yes. It's like if I'm somebody I never use the Raspberry Pi, or I just never did a project like this. Follow your document, I can easily reproduce what you do.
Oh, okay.
A good example is those instructions on web pages. I don't like long instructions. The shorter the better, actually. If you can say what you did, what kind of problem you encountered, all the material list, the shorter is better.
Just follow those 3 steps.
Yeah.
So, but you want to. Oh, I'm sorry. You want instructions on how we set it up, right,
Yeah.
and loaded the games and all that, not just how to play it.
Yes, what you did.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
What you did. If there's something special you did, just put it there. Yeah.
Okay.
And how many projects do we need to document?
What's the question? How many?
How many projects do we need to document?
Oh, the project, the final project will be one project. So if you.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah, one project.
All right, that's it for me then.
Yeah, for example, if I will do a project, I will probably do something like I done dozens of projects, but if I want to do this semester, I will probably redo that robot. I will mount a webcam, wireless webcam on that robot, and have it driving around my house and check out where my cats are. Follow the cats. The cat. Maybe put a webcam, wireless webcam, mounted on the back of my cat.
So there you go.
I saw that National Geographic, they put web cameras on many animals. Yeah, that's amazing.
Oh yeah.
They captured. Yeah. I also saw the video of some people put the GPS sensors on their cat. My cat is outdoor cat. It's roaming in the neighborhood all night, all day. So they actually tracked their cat. They were amazed how far their cat go.
Well, and like they track birds too to see where they migrate to,
Yeah, yes, that's right. Yeah, the technology getting smaller and smaller. Those Internet of Things is wonderful. Well, another thing I really like, the past project, I have a couple favorites. My past, one is that security system that is use the existing sensors. A lot of houses have existing sensors already. They just do not have the the subscription to use those sensors. So you can actually connect your Pi to all those sensors and have your own security system. That would be a good using Node-RED. And MQTT. Anybody saw that video MQTT demo? That's good.